Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help businesses cut their legal costs with our online template kits. An associate lease is simply an arrangement between an employer and employee and an associate of the employee, usually a relative or a spouse. In this salary packaging arrangement, the employer leases a motor vehicle from the associate and then provides the same vehicle to the employee for their use as part of their remuneration package. The associate lease arrangement provides three key benefits. 1. Lease payments are paid as income to the associate, who will generally be in a lower tax bracket than the employee. 2. All of the running and maintenance costs are paid for and claimed as a deductible expense by the employer. And 3, the employee forgoes income in exchange for car benefits, thus reducing tax liability. With an associate lease agreement in place, the tax office recognises the arrangement as an employer-provided benefit for tax purposes. For more information on our associate lease agreement template, follow the links below.